Have you ever wondered what makes alternating current, AC, and direct current, DC, cables distinctive? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of electricity, specifically focusing on these two types of cables. AC cables, you see, are quite fascinating. They transport electricity that oscillates in a wave-like pattern. What's interesting here is that the voltage and current of this electricity are in a state of constant flux. It's this characteristic that makes AC cables the preferred choice for most homes and businesses. They're simply top-notch when it comes to transmitting electricity over vast expanses. Now, consider DC cables. Unlike their AC counterparts, DC cables transport electricity that flows in a single, unchanging direction. This means the voltage and current of the electricity remain steady. You'll commonly find DC cables employed in batteries, solar panels, and select electronic devices. Let's take a moment to test your newfound knowledge. Can you guess which type of cable, AC or DC, is preferred for long-distance transmission? If you said AC, give yourself a pat on the back. You're absolutely right. So what are the key takeaways here? Firstly, AC cables, with their oscillating current, are more efficient for long-distance electricity transmission. On the other hand, DC cables, with their constant current, are incredibly versatile and find use in a broad spectrum of applications. In our upcoming video, we'll delve deeper into the workings of AC and DC cables. We'll discuss the advantages and drawbacks of each type, giving you a comprehensive understanding of these fundamental electrical components. If any questions about AC or DC cables are buzzing in your mind, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more enlightening content on electrical engineering. If you found this video informative, show your appreciation with a thumbs up. Don't forget to explore our other videos on AC and DC cables. Until next time, keep your curiosity charged and stay electrified.